Amazon exclusive OnePlus 6T. Ahead of the OnePlus 6T's expected unveiling next month, OnePlus has launched a new commercial in India teasing the smartphone and encouraging people to click the Notify Me button on Amazon's Indian website. Amazon India has claimed the OnePlus 6T as an exclusive product. It has a teaser page with a coming soon label, and the option to sign up for updates. This means that the official unveiling is getting closer. Based on the screenshot shared by OnePlus, we think this will happen on October 17th. Aside from hinting at the smartphone's upcoming release, the teaser, which stars Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan, also indirectly makes reference to the device's new in-display fingerprint scanner, by claiming that there is a cooler way to unlock your phone. In addition to this, for a couple of seconds Bachchan actually holds up the smartphone during the commercial, providing the first official glimpse at the device, and also backing up a render which leaked out earlier today. Despite rumors of a triple camera setup, the image showcased just two rear cameras. Towards the end of the 15-second commercial, OnePlus confirms the OnePlus 6T name, and also reveals that the smartphone will follow in the footsteps of previous devices, by launching in India as an Amazon exclusive. Unfortunately, no pricing details were provided. Presently, the Chinese brand is yet to confirm the announcement date for the OnePlus 6T, but previous information has pointed towards an October 17th event. If this is indeed accurate, shipments are expected to commence during the following week. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.